We're here in Rotorua at Tui Ridge Park for the PALM Symposium. So it's a 3-day event that brings together rangatahi from throughout the country. The theme for PALM this year is your narratives, past, present and future, and that's all about having our rangatahi come here and in their way tell us about where they've come from, where they are now and where they're going to in the future.
We decided that we needed to have a kaupapa that would be for rangatahi, and that would help to build their leadership within their whānau and their communities.
Day one saw rangatahi from throughout the country come together at Awhi, Tarimano Marae for our pōhiri. Day two was all about workshopping, and the kaupapa there was ikigai, so having our rangatahi come together, proposing what they want to see for their future. And day three, it's all about the rangatahi creating short films and sharing their narratives. And then later in the evening, they'll present those to the wider group. The last few days have been really great. My aspiration would be that when they all go back to their regions, back to Kaitaia, Dunedin, Wellington, wherever it is they're from, they can stay connected and start building upon their shared aspirations and goals for the future.